good, I'm starving. What's for lunch?
What makes you think I would know?
Come on, can't you just make me something?
Make it yourself, douchebag.
Jeez. Okay, fine, maybe I'll just conjure up a pizza.
Ugh. Pizza again?
Yeah, I guess you're right. I'm kinda sick of pizza. What about pho?
We had pho for breakfast.
Was that today?
Why don't you cook something?
Yeah. Maybe I'll make some nachos. Or better yet, a quesadilla.
Oh, now you're talking.
All I can find was this piece of blue cheese. It's pretty tasty though. Maybe we can make a salad.
Yeah, that works.
Alright, I'll get started on the dressing.
Okay, it's kind of funny though, because I don't remember there being any blue cheese in the fridge. I do recall there being some moldy cheddar though.